So, I was sort of going through withdrawals. Please don't be mad at me, but I haven't drawn a person since beige on day 16, and that wasn't even a cute girl. I haven't done one of those since day 11. So, I needed an excuse to draw a cute girl, or I was going to lose my mind. And like I said, when drawing people, I decided this month that the color of the day had to be the skin color, since that would help to limit the amount of cute girls I drew this month. Well, by that logic, her skin today needs to be light green. And while I was looking at this color, all I could think of was like cartoon radioactive waste, so I decided that I would just have to draw a slime girl, since that was the only way this was gonna work. I've never drawn a slime girl before. I looked up lots of reference to try and capture the essence of what a slime girl is, but honestly the images I found didn't have too much in common other than their skin was sort of dripping like an ooze usually, and they had strange skin colors. Several of them did have more rounded features though, just in general. So I took that idea and ran with it. You'll notice this is a very curvy slime girl, and she has very round features. Round bangs, a round head, a rounded bun hairstyle. Even the drips coming off of her are sort of rounded and thick, if you will. Not like thick with many C's, just like thick, like fat, drippy. Never mind. I just tried to make her rounded, curvy, and drippy. I did notice while I was filling in her skin that this image in particular was really streaky for some reason. This is the only Posca that hasn't put down a nice solid flat wash. I went over it a little in some areas where it was really bad, but that started to chew up the watercolor paper, so I stopped before long. And I do know that if the paint is watery in Poscas, you have to cap them and shake them and repump them to activate them properly. And usually that fixes everything, but I did that several times throughout this piece. And the paint wasn't watery, it was pigmented fine. Just for some reason it like sank into the paper unevenly, more in some places than others, which made the streaks. I don't really know how to explain it, it was just really annoying me throughout this entire process today. Anyway, I don't think she turned out too badly for my first ever attempt at a slime girl. Though I do think looking at it now, the drips are a little too stiff and don't look fluid enough. But, oh well, I'm pretty happy with her, and I got to scratch my cute girl drawing itch, so that's helped. And I just realized that this is day 29. All that's left is tomorrow's speed paint, and that's the end of Huevember 2020. Preemptive celebration. Calm down, Ace, calm down. Right, now let's just focus on the fact that light green is check. Done. See you tomorrow for the last one.